Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Reels or video option not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your Facebook app. As you can see here, there are no videos or Reels option. Don't worry, follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now tap on three-line menu. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on tab bar. Now tap on customize the bar. Now find Reels. Now tap on auto. Now turn on pin. Now turn on keep in your navigation bar. Now back on Facebook home screen. And finally show your Reels or video option showing. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.